what will happen is it will loop back through. It'll go through this, and this stripe will be right, and then this stripe will be right, and then that stripe will be butt up against the other stripe that's right in the same order. So you have two stripes that will be back to back, which accounts for the wider area. And then it repeats itself. And so when you're looking at this picture, yeah. So when you start to see this, now you start seeing color changes and shifts because JPEG's processing this stuff differently for its dithering algorithm stuff. But do all of the items belong in this picture? Are all of these, are they all part of this picture?
No, there's one there on top.
No, it's all shifted. But see, like this is the top of her head. And then it shifts, and then you've got another shift, and then you've got the finger and the hand and all this. So do I have discs in the right order?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. I have the discs in the right order because they're actually slices like this. And I have the discs in the right order. How big is my slice size? 64K, right? So we can tell it looks like 64K. So the only other option that's left in this picture that would be wrong is...
Well, go back. So what do you have in that picture, 512? One more? So what are you showing me with 512? That's where it would be. It would be
I'm dividing in space. I'm dividing in... So I said, if this is 2 megs, then this is 1 meg, then this is 512, then this is 250 set, then this is 164. I'm just dividing everything in 2, visually. That's really what I'm doing, based on the amount of size. So I'm just trying to calculate what that slice might be if it was that wide. You know, if it was a 4 meg picture, well then I'm at 128. And if it's an 8 meg picture, then, and so on and so on. But you don't know what that size of the picture is without trying to calculate what that is, because if it's wrong, like this is actually going to give me the true representation of the file, but it doesn't always. Like when we're wrong, we need to know what the size of that picture is so we can figure out what our slice size is. And so I would use the EXIF information from the picture, if I can, to prove that. So I'm trying to use that data. So what would actually be wrong in this case is whatever the choice is for the 2 items that I actually chose for left synchronous or left asynchronous are wrong. And all you do is change that one. So once you know you've got your order and you've got those things, instead of just keep going, now I still make a list, I still write it down on paper, and I still say I tried this, 1, 2, 3, 64K in this orientation. And I still like mark them off until I've checked them off. But I would only have like 6 variations or something that I could possibly do at this point to figure out if